Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today I'm going to be doing a first look at the GordVE digital camera. This is kind of a weird camera per se, because they do say it is a 22 megapixel camera, but it's not a true 22 megapixel camera. It's actually an 8 megapixel that can upscale it to a 22 megapixel quality photo. They say it does 1080p and it has an AMOLED 3.5, but one thing that I'm kind of curious about is they say it's 22, but it says 24 on the packaging. Maybe that's just an error in just basic packaging, because this does kind of look just like basic packaging for all cameras that look like this. It does have a 4x zoom, and so yeah, you can pick this camera up on Amazon for about $85. I know when I searched for digital cameras, a lot of different brands of this particular style came up. So I guess if you get one similar to this, it should technically be the same camera. So yeah, let's open this up. So we do got a user manual that has got all the different languages and everything. And we open it up, we got just a power brick, USB power brick. We got a filter, I think it is a UV filter lens. This does have removable lenses. They give you all the lenses that actually work with this camera. We got a mini USB cable. You have your neck strap for having it around your neck. In this little package, this little case, we have, I'm guessing, the other set of lenses. So it comes with a total of basically 2 lenses. Should come with a micro and a wide angle lens. This does seem to be the lens. It's the high definition wide angle lens, as you can see. And then attached to it is the micro lens. So this is a 52 millimeter lens. So far it kind of looks high quality. It is metal, so that is nice to see. And then we have our main show. The main device of the show is the camera itself. So on the camera, it says it has a 4 times digital zoom. Those zooms are kind of good, but I'm not really expecting the zoom to be really good. So you got your sensor up here. You can see the sensor. You got your shutter button, and then on the side you do got your navigation buttons to navigate the camera. Your power buttons up here. And then you got the 3-inch supposedly OLED screen that does flip up. So if you wanted to be shooting yourself or like doing a vlog style or such, you can use that to keep yourself in the frame. On the back, we do have your regular tripod mount, and we have it where you can put your standard SD card and what size battery is this? This is a rechargeable battery. If I can get it out. This is a 8 milliamp hour battery, so you should be able to get a couple hours out of this battery. So yeah, so overall the quality of it does seem pretty nice. It does have flash. You can have flash using it this way, or you can flip it up to get it more extended away from the sensor. So far it does look good. Let's see if it's got some power in it. And we do. Got some power. So yeah, so the OLED does look pretty nice. I don't see any dead pixels. So it does look kind of nice, if you can see. Let's see. If this is supposedly a 22 megapixel camera, it should only have the option for 22, which, as you guys can see, it does have 24. So I'm not quite sure on that. You can go from 3 megapixel all the way up to 24. So that is nice. And then you do got your 1080p video that you can shoot. Not sure how good that is. But they give you several options for settings. If I can figure out how to... so they give you shooting settings, which gives you like your time, shooting like 10 seconds or so, or single shot. Set mode if you want to do sport, night, or portrait, or landscape. High sensitivity. So they give you several different options to it. ISO, you get custom settings from 100 to 400, or auto. And then so it does have some major features that most digital cameras do have nowadays. And then if you wanted to attach the lens, it attaches just like every other camera. The lens just kind of screws on to the sensor. And then you have the lens turned on. So far, the lens actually improved the overall picture that was coming from just the sensor. So that is kind of interesting to see. But overall, I would probably not recommend this camera if you're really looking for a nice digital camera. I would probably get this camera if you are wanting to start out with, if you're new to digital camera, like get this for like grandma or something that they're not too familiar with digital cameras. This one should do just fine. I haven't seen what the picture quality is, so that might not be a good thing, but this should quality-wise be better than the film cameras, the disposable film cameras that you can get from like Walgreens, Walmart. It should technically be better, but other than that, if you are interested in picking this product up, I will leave a link down below, and in our review I will make sure to attach some photos of what the photo quality of this camera is. And yeah, hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.